Hello everybody. Today in this clinical snippets we'll be discussing about the examination of the small muscles of the hand followed by the examination of a patient who has wasted small muscles. First we'll begin with the examination and understanding of the anatomy of the small muscles of the hand.
Further, we will proceed with the examination how wasting of a small muscles of hand will look like.
Small muscle of hands majorly comprises of four groups. These are the thenar group of muscles which supply the thumb, the hypothenar group of muscles which supply the little finger, on the dorsal aspect the lumbricals, and on the dorsal aspect there's dorsal interossei, and on the palmar aspect there's palmar interossei. Now these group of muscles which supply the thumb are known as the thenar group of muscles, which consist of abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis. These help in the movement of thumb, that is flexion, extension, adduction, abduction and opposition. ऐसे कीजिए. All these movements of the thumb are possible because of the thenar group of muscles. Now coming to the little finger, these group of muscles which supply the little finger are known as the hypothenar group of muscles, which consists of abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, opponens digiti minimi and palmaris brevis. These help in the movements of the little finger such as flexion, extension, abduction and adduction. Now on the dorsal aspect, there are these lumbricals. There are four lumbricals which help in ऐसे कीजिए, ऐसे, हाँ. These lumbricals help in flexion of the metacarpophalangeal joint and extension of the interphalangeal joint. Now assisting the lumbricals are the dorsal interossei. These dorsal interossei not only help in flexion at the metacarpophalangeal joint and extension at the interphalangeal joint, but they also help in abduction, that is moving the fingers away from each other. Now coming to the palmar aspect, the palmar interossei also help in the flexion at the metacarpophalangeal joint and extension at the interphalangeal joint, but they help in adduction, that is when the fingers are far apart, it helps in the fingers coming close to each other. Now coming to the nerves which supply the hand. On the palmar aspect, the ulnar nerve supplies the one and a half fingers are supplied by the ulnar nerve, while the remaining 2.5 fingers are supplied by the median nerve. While on the dorsal aspect, 3.5 fingers, that is 1, 2 and half, is supplied by the radial nerve, and the remaining 1.5 are supplied by the ulnar nerve, while the fingertips are supplied by the median nerve. Now with the motor supply of the muscles, all muscles of the small hand are supplied by the ulnar nerve except lumbricals, opponens pollicis, abductor pollicis brevis and flexor pollicis brevis, which is supplied by the median nerve.
Phalanges. Lateral 2 and first 2 finger. These are flexor digitorum profundus muscle. Root value is C8T1 median nerve, and later 2 finger is ulnar nerve C7T8. Now, Moshi, ऐसे करिए, ऐसे फैलाइए. Fanning of finger is abduction movement. First dorsal interossei muscle, ulnar nerve C8T1. ऐसे फैलाइए, ऐसे फैलाइए, ऐसे. Patient is unable to perform this against the resistance by abducting little finger. This involves involvement of abductor digiti minimi, ulnar nerve C8T1. Now, lumbricals are tested at flexion or at metacarpophalangeal joint. फिर से वैसे ही बनाना है. Tested at flexion at metacarpophalangeal joint and extension at interphalangeal joint.
ऐसे कर ना पॉसिबल. ये हाथ में करना, ये हाथ में असर ठेवा.
हाँ.
असं ठेवा, असं. ये हाथ में ऐसे कर, दोन्ही हाथ असं प्रयत्न कर.
Lumbricals are tested here at flexion at metacarpophalangeal joint and extension at interphalangeal joint. First two finger is median nerve C8T1 and rest two fingers is ulnar nerve C8T1. Abnormalities of this muscle leads to clawing of hand. As we can see, clawing of right hand here as compared to left hand, which is normal. There are various causes of muscle hand wasting, like anterior horn cell disease, like polio, motor neuron disease, lesion in the nerve root, like cervical spondylosis, lesion in the spinal nerve, like Klumpke's paralysis, brachial plexus injury. As we are suspecting this in this our patient, ulnar or median nerve injury, and lastly tuberculosis or malignancy. The sign named as format sign or book test I would like to perform here. A paper is put and asked to patient is asked to abduct and try to pull paper. मौशी अपने तरफ खींचे. As we can see, patient is able to perform this. ठीक है मौशी, ठीक है. इसमें से कीजिए. अपने तरफ खींचे. As we can see, patient is unable to perform this. Muscle involved is abductor pollicis, that is thenar muscle. Root will use ulnar nerve T1.